So when you follow the link, you will be taken to this page right here. We are going to use the Intro tab today for our lab. And what you have is a pendulum. You can grab your pendulum, pull it back, and let it swing. You can stop it right here. And so a couple things I want you to notice. First of all, you can control its length up here. You can make a short pendulum and you can make a long pendulum. The length is the distance to the middle of the weight, okay? But you can just set the length right here. Also, you can change the mass of the pendulum. You can make it small and you can make it big. The third thing you can do is you can grab the pendulum and you can pull it back and you can determine at what angle it is released. So we call that the amplitude. So I can pull it back and then you can see actually right up here when I pull it back, you'll see the angle. So if I want to start at 20 degrees, I can do that and let it go. Now, in every case, what we are interested in finding is the period of the pendulum. The period of a pendulum is the time it takes to swing from one side over to the other and back. So a complete swing. So to help you do this more accurately, you can put it in slow motion. And what it helps to do is to put the meter stick over here near the edge, just so you can kind of tell where it's going to go. And then down here, get a stopwatch. And you probably just want to go to normal speed. And I'm going to start my stopwatch when it gets to the edge there. So now. So that's 1 swing, 2 swings, 3 swings, 4 swings. I'm counting every time it gets here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and stop. Okay? So you should get an answer pretty close to 20.3 seconds if you make the length 1 meter, the mass 1 kilogram, with Earth's gravity and no friction. You should get, that's the time for 10 swings. So the time for 1 swings will be 1/10 of that. So divide that by 10, you get 2.03 seconds per swing. So the period is 2.03. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure for 10 swings, and then you're going to divide by 10 to find the period accurately, okay? We're not going to use the ruler for anything else. It just helps you see visually when the pendulum gets all the way over there to its edge. Then what you can do is stop the pendulum. In the first experiment, you're going to change the length. We're going to keep the angle the same. So whatever angle you're told to use, if it's 10 degrees, pull it out to 10 degrees and let it start swinging. Get the ruler lined up on the edge here, and then you can use your stopwatch. Start and let it swing 10 times and then stop it. Okay? Okay.